Before you run the Android WhatsApp to iPhone transfer software to transfer WhatsApp, please make sure you have installed the latest version of iTunes on your computer. Download Backup Trans WhatsApp Transfer from the following link to install on a computer. Launch Backup Trans WhatsApp Transfer software on the computer. Connect Android phone to the Backup Trans software. You can simply connect your Android phone to the computer with a USB cable. Just make sure your Android device has USB debugging enabled before connecting. When the Backup Trans WhatsApp Transfer software detects your phone, please make a backup of WhatsApp chats on Android and then click the OK button. Verify your phone number to load WhatsApp chats. Enter your phone number and then click the next button. Please make sure the phone number you enter is the same as the one used on Android phone. When you receive a text message with a 6-digit code, simply enter the 6-digit code to start loading WhatsApp chats from Android. View Android WhatsApp chat messages on computer. When loading is completed, you can check if all your WhatsApp chat messages have been loaded into Backup Trans software. Connect your iPhone to Backup Trans software. Now you can verify WhatsApp on your iPhone with your phone number and then connect your iPhone to the computer with an Apple cable. Your iPhone will be listed in Backup Trans software after connected. Note: if the software failed to detect your iPhone, please make sure you are using the newest iOS on your iPhone. And connect your phone to iTunes to make transferring data from iPhone to computer successfully. Click the Android and devices list you want to transfer WhatsApp chats from. Turn to the top toolbar and press Transfer Messages from Android to iPhone button, or go File Transfer Messages from Android to iPhone. Tip: you can right-click the Android and devices list and then choose Transfer Messages from Android to iPhone. If you want to transfer WhatsApp messages of a single contact, click your wanted contact name under devices you want to migrate WhatsApp chats from. Turn to the top toolbar and press Transfer Messages from Android to iPhone button. Select a target iPhone device that you want to transfer WhatsApp chat history to. Click Confirm to start to transfer WhatsApp chats. Note: before transferring WhatsApp chat history, please close WhatsApp Messenger on your iPhone. If you have only one USB charge or USB port on your computer, you can first back up WhatsApp chats from Android into Backup Trans local database first. Then transfer the messages from Backup Trans software to iPhone. Simply follow these steps. Connect Android device only to the computer, make sure your Android device has USB debugging enabled, and then connect your Android phone only to the computer, via USB. When the Backup Trans WhatsApp Transfer software detects your phone, please make a backup of WhatsApp chats on Android. Verify your phone number to load WhatsApp chats. Enter your phone number and then click the next button. Please make sure the phone number you enter is the same as the one used on Android phone. When you receive a text message with a 6-digit code, just enter the 6-digit code to start loading WhatsApp chats from Android. Backup WhatsApp chat messages from Android to a local database on PC. When the software finishes loading WhatsApp chat messages from Android, simply click the Backup Messages menu to save AMP, transfer WhatsApp messages into the local database. Disconnect your Android phone from the computer after done. Install and log into WhatsApp Messenger on iPhone, skip if done. Don't restore WhatsApp chats from iCloud backup. Connect your iPhone to the Backup Trans Android WhatsApp to iPhone transfer software via USB. When the software detects your iPhone, it will start to load data from your iPhone. Just wait until the loading is completed. Transfer WhatsApp messages to iPhone from local database. Right-click the local database and then choose the Transfer Messages from Database to iPhone menu to transfer chats to your iPhone. Select a target iPhone device that you want to transfer WhatsApp chat history to. Please make sure you have turned off iCloud backup and find My iPhone options in iPhone. Click Confirm to start transferring WhatsApp chats. Now your WhatsApp chats will be transferred to your iPhone in few moments.